那我们在昆安的 Carry Park 这边是他们今天要拍的第一个 scene， 现在是7点10分，7点11。大哥在拍照，然后这是剧组。
是不太平啊，不太平。3, 2, 1, action.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
Hi, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. You look amazing.
Thank you.
You can get going?
Sure. Hi. Alright, great. We can finally go to indoor scene. Thank you very much. It's such a cold day.
Okay, let's try. So we are like a circle, and then we're close. So okay. We can say hi, 3, 2, 1.
I'm still in it. I'm in the corner.
Let's try one more time, just for fun.
I'll step further away.
Yeah, like this. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
还有上次电影没有擦干净的东西。
哦，也不行。
婚事 take 100。
对，没有 take 100，没有拍过100条。
Is that everyone?
Yep.
Okay, careful.
Okay. 今天我们在这边拍 Day 2， 然后是在一个 Art Supply Store 里面的景，应该是男女主之间又一次在一个地方相遇。然后因为情境设定在是2020年，所以这个店被呈现出它是关的状态。然后呢，现在是早上8点40多，所有的 crew 都已经在这儿了。
大概是在他们打招呼之前的时候，我开始
对呀，
打招呼
之前呀，他们进来打的太快了，就像这两个人在等他set。
OK， 这是 OK， 我等一下跟他们说，这是还有一个什么你注意到的问题？
还有一个就是得有人给我在那边扶门，我没有办法进来。
OK， 好，这是暴露了一个问题。第二个问题，还有第三个问题，他们的站位。
对，他们的站位，但是那个后边 over shoulder 就行。
OK，camera 1，camera 2，camera 3， sound。
All right.
Board.
Okay, day 29, take 1 in 3, 2, 1, action.
Rolling.
Hey, you're here.
Yeah.
Hey, how
it's so
are
good to
you?
see you. Good. It's been forever.
Yeah.
Is this why you wanted to host an outdoor exhibition?
Yeah, we want to share how people are feeling throughout the pandemic. There are several local artists.
Cut.
It's okay.
Abner, you need to maybe stay here.
And
Am I closing off?
There are several
Yeah.
local artists.
Yeah, just step back.
女主人可以稍微往后站吧，这个地方。
Board.
Rolling.
Day 29, take 2 in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, Ada, you're here.
Yeah. Good to see you.
Day 29, take 3 in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Aiden.
Hey, it's
you're
good to see
here.
Later.
Camera
ready. Yes.
Camera 1, camera 2,
Yes.
camera 3, sound, board.
Rolling.
Day 29, take 8 in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Aiden, you're here.
Good to see you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh. Hey, Jane?
Oh yeah, come in.
Cut. 怎么样这条？
可以。
可以。
这个
OK，
可以。
Great job, guys.
可以用这个。
We're doing the photo shot now. So we're done with this scene.
没关系，我们拍完
Great job, everyone. Yeah.
导演对剧组有什么感想？
剧组好棒，
好棒
We have the best team.
导演的 energy 很强啊，导演 energy。
然后我还拍不到。
会在里面
不会开到你，你在那我录一个给你看一下，大概是什么样子。Where the whole crew is tackling it after it, like go to sleep.
Best scene ever.
It feels weird. It really feels
Yeah.
Let's do some more dry run. And I think our camera crews also mentioned we need to do more dry run. Because in the shop scene today, camera also feel like, oh, they're moving around and I'm doing close up and then they're disappearing in my frame. So yeah, I guess the entire crew feel the tension when we're doing the in-store shop shoot. So yeah, they also give me feedback of we need to do more dry run.
So we can spend more time setting the blocking and then just walking through it. I don't know if you.
My phone, yes.
就所有的危险动作和这个无聊的工作交给我们，然后等演员老师过来。Okay, and
Who was just doing the push-up?
me and 荣迪。
Oh, okay.
Make you guys just get into the feeling.
觉得能配吗？
我们北京派没太阳，
但是现在才5点多，知道吗？
光线已经暗下来了。光线已经暗下来了。
It's probably the most difficult thing to do, like act.
Yeah.
You need to really.
I'll try and play with the space a little more. I think, yeah, the way I was trying to portray it at first was a little more excited, a little more excitable, and kind of flirty. And so now to like pull it back, like I just need a minute to process that. But I have a better idea.
How do you feel, Aiden and Jen, feel about each other now? Like, are you guys still shy from each other, or are you guys still feel like you have that spark in your eyes? You kind of just want to look at his face and her face like all the time. You know, when we're like in our early stage of our relationship, you kind of just like stare at each other and just like can't help but have a smile on your face. Do you think they're at their stage yet, or are they kind of very very nervous and very shy, or are they like an old friend? Any, for example, putting the shirt on the back, there's some sound.
我们现在在 Green Lake 的一个 parking lot， 然后因为我们下一个 scene 要10点才可以开始拍，然后现在的话我们就临时找了一个 parking lot 来做一些录音方面的工作。大家可以看一下独立电影人有多辛苦啊！这里是女主角在这里，男主角在右边，他们在准备 ready。导演刚才需要睡一下，现在刚睡起来。看看这个，睡好了吗？
睡好了。
现在身体 OK 了？
刚刚差点那个叫啥 ，faint 有点，就是我刚刚就是看
太辛苦了。
我这样看大家，就是好像就是好几个大家，我感觉我要晕过去了。
对。
然后荣迪就帮我开车，然后我就在车里睡了一觉。
刚才就吓着了，感觉导演一下子就蔫了。对，现在休息一下就好了。
大家就对我很好，谢谢。
好，那我们去下一个场地。
我是2个人都在画面里，还刚才是只有他的后脑勺？
就只有他的后脑勺。吻上的时候我们可以切那个中间。
OK。
就是我吻上了之后，他俩重合了嘛？对。我们要是握手的，你就应该后脑勺，我也是后脑勺。OK。
Wait. You're going to New York?
Yeah.
When?
Next Monday. It's just for a couple of days. Oh, I should look at you when I say that, right?
Yeah. Yeah, next Monday is just a couple of days. Yeah, try to be like distracted by, oh, next Monday is just a couple of days or something like that. Go.
Anyway, long story short, I'm going to New York.
Wait. You're going to New York?
Yeah.
When?
Next Monday. It's just for a couple of days.
Oh, camera 1, camera 2, sound, board.
Everyone, night. Take 3. In 3, 2, 1. Action.
I can see painting makes you happy, Jane. And I think you can give a bit more time for painting. You know, maybe leave a little bit more time for me. Pardon. Sorry. Thank you. No problem, sir. Clearly I'm in your way.
Hey, thanks for putting me. Thanks for.
Everyone's here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure? Yeah. We can post it and do a like time
3, 2,
thing.
1. One more. 3, 2, 1. 21. 3, 2, 1.
Hey! All right, now get the hell out of my store.
This is from Papa. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm gonna cry. Oh.
No. Cry after it's edited.